How to FTP. Sooner or later, you will hear the term FTP come up at your business. It might be one of your designers telling you that a piece of artwork has to be FTP'd to the printer by noon today, or it could be a client sending you a large document, but most of the time you'll be using FTP to update your website with new information. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, and it has been around since the early 1970s. Basically, FTP is used to transfer files between computers and or servers over the internet. So let's say you want to update a logo on your website. You would use FTP to copy the file from your computer and put it directly onto your server. FTPing a file will only make a copy of it on a server. It will still be on your PC unchanged. To FTP, you'll need software which is generally free. Do a search for FTP software and you will see hundreds of results. After you've chosen your software and familiarized yourself with it by reading the basic instructions, you are ready to start your first FTP. There are three things required to FTP. The first is the server location. This is the name of the server or PC that will be accepting your files. Next, you'll need both a username and a password. You must have all three. Also, sometimes servers are set up so that you have to actually navigate to a subdirectory, or even a subdirectory of a subdirectory. If you are told to put your website files in public_HTML, this means that after you log in, you will have to go into the public_HTML directory where all of your website files reside. Some FTP programs will allow you to enter the subdirectories into the bookmark for the FTP address, so you will not have to navigate to them each time you log in. Remember, you are basically transferring files from your computer to another one over the internet, so it is important to understand the hierarchy, also known as the directory structure of your website. As an example, if you want to change a logo called logo.jpg on your website, and it is in the images directory on your server, you must make sure that you put the new logo.jpg file into the images directory. If you just place it in the top directory that you first get to when you FTP into the server, it will not change your logo. Most FTP programs will allow you to drag and drop your files directly onto the server. If you have an older program, you may have to navigate to the file through the program to upload it to the server. Of course, FTP works both ways. You can copy files off of a server onto your computer by reversing your actions, such as dragging a file onto your desktop. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to stop by our site to pick up the checklist for the video, which includes more information and resources. Also, be sure to watch the other videos in our Technical Stuff for Beginners module. You can get information on all of our videos at net101.com/videos.